So in this ChatGPT tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn off plugins here in ChatGPT. So first thing you have to do is obviously open up ChatGPT. Now, for example, if you were to start a new chat, so go to the top left here, press on new chat to start a new chat. As you can tell for me, it says ChatGPT plugins and then no plugins installed. So this means that plugins are in fact turned on if this option is showing. Now, if it's turned off, perhaps it might say ChatGPT 4 or ChatGPT 3.5. So we'll just do ChatGPT 4 right here, for example. Now, if we go back to plugins right here, I want to keep this up so I can show you guys what I mean by saying that plugins are turned on or turned off. So next thing you have to do is go to the bottom left here, press on your username. Then go to where it says settings and beta. In this second tab right here where it says beta control, press on that. And where it says plugins right here, it actually is turned on if it's green. So if I were to go ahead and turn it off, I'll press on this green button right here. And now it's off. And as you can tell right here, ChatGPT 3.5, the plugins are turned off. And if you were to turn it back on, you can turn it back on just like that. And then the plugins are back. So pretty straightforward. But that's how you guys can turn off plugins here in ChatGPT. Thanks again for watching. And I hope this video helps.